Here we have a Frigidaire window AC. As you can see, this is model number FFRA052WA1. This is a 6,000 BTU unit. We got this originally for my parents' bedroom, but it's now used in the den here at the house because it gets so hot in here. We recently got the floors redone. Here's medium. And here's high. It does have an economy mode over there. And a sleep, but that really doesn't do much. It just puts it on auto. And I believe there is a timer too. Now here's the outside of it. It's a little bit scratched up. Alright, well, my parents plan to keep this in for the rest of the fall. Probably remove it in like October, November. We just put it in like recently, so yeah, we might use it again next year. And this is the newest model of the series. They've been doing this particular model for a long time, and this is the newest one. I prefer the older models, but this is nice. It's a good unit. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.